Welcome to Tali Chinese class. Today we are going to learn HSK 3 guidance course. Part 1 is HSK 3 Introduction. Do you know HSK 3? HSK is Chinese proficiency test, and HSK 3 is basic communication tasks in life, study, and work. What are the conditions of HSK 3? Firstly, you need to learn 600 vocabularies well, and the learning duration must be more than 110 class hours. Part 2 is test paper introduction. Do you know the contents of HSK 3 test paper? The test paper has 3 parts: listening, reading, writing. Every part has 100 points. There are 40 questions in the listening part, and you have 35 minutes to finish. There are 30 questions in the reading section, and you have 30 minutes. There are 10 questions in the writing section, and you have 30 minutes. The total score of HSK 3 test paper is 300 points. The pass score is more than 180 points, and the validity period of grades is 2 years. Part 3 is course introduction. HSK 3 course has 10 classes. Every class has 4 parts. The first part is introduction to question type. The second part is true question explanation. The third part is answering skills. And the last part is exercise. The next class is listening part 1. See you.